Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. I'm a certified aging-in-place specialist and a master instructor. The calendar tells us that we're entering the fall, but it doesn't really matter. It just means that this is a particularly good time. It's a slower pace. The summer activities are behind us, so we have time to reflect on what we have and decide what we need to take with us into the future. Maybe some of those summer sporting goods and clothing and so forth, we're not going to need going into the winter months. Maybe some of them didn't survive that well. And by the same token, maybe some of our winter clothing and sporting goods and cookware and so forth isn't what we need for the season at hand. So it's a great time for us to sort through and discard those things that no longer have value, and that makes room for more. So we can still get things, we just need to eliminate many of the things that are cluttering our existence. As we age in place, we don't need a lot of excess material, whether that's in the computer, whether that's reading material, magazines, books, sporting goods, clothing, cookware, tools, whatever. But this is the perfect time of year, as is any time for that matter, but this is the perfect time of year for reflecting and downsizing a bit to make our lives more streamlined as we age in place. This is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me.